In this video, I will show you how to answer the question. We have y and first derivative of y. This one that is about linear ordinary differential equations. So we have the formula. So in this one, we can apply integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s, that is about e to the power of the integral. So we can see that we need to select about bs, that is about this one. If this one is about negative, we need to include in the negative side in here. But in this one, we have the positive. Now, we put this one go in here. We know that the interpretation of this one, that is about 1 over 2 ln of s squared plus 1. Because if we do the derivative of this one, they will return back from this one. Now, we put 1 over 2 go inside about natural law in here, because we have the formula. So this one that is about b, this one that is about a. So we put 1 over 2 go inside about natural law in here. So we have the second one. So that means we have this one. So we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integral for the both sides. So we have the formula. So if we look carefully, this one that is about first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the interpretation of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the interpretation of that one, we have y with the square root of s squared plus 1. And now we go to the second one. So for this one, we can apply about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u, that is about the square root of s squared plus 1. Later that, we put the power number 2 for the both sides to cancel the square root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So first derivative of u squared, that is about 2u du. This one, that is about 2s ds. Number 1, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Later that, we divide both sides by number 2, so we can simplify. So this one that is about youth. Ask the ask that is about this one. So youth and you that is about you swear. The interpretation of this one that is about u to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c about u that is from here. Now we put this one go in here, so we have this one, and this is the final answer.